How to grow mushrooms in buckets. The bucket technique is one of the most reliable methods to grow oyster mushrooms quickly and on a predictable schedule. It is sustainable, beginner-friendly, and easy to scale up to a point. So, what you will need to implement the technique? That are, bucket with lid or other sealed plastic container, drill with a half-inch bit, chopped straw, large plastic tote, intermediate bulk container, cinder block or other weight, mushroom spawn, hydrated lime, onion bags, rubber gloves. Steps: Step 1. Select and prepare bucket. Step 2. Select and pasteurize substrate. Step 3. Remove and drain substrate. Determine moisture content. Step 4. Add spawn to substrate. Step 5. Let bucket colonize in a cool, dark place. Step 6. Mushroom fruiting. Step 7. Harvesting your mushrooms.